what is BRCGS? The BRCGS Global Standards for food safety, packaging materials, storage and distribution, consumer products, agents and brokers, retail, gluten-free, and plant-based all set the benchmark for good manufacturing practices, helping to provide assurance to customers that your products are safe, legal, and of high quality. Each standard is tailored for a specific function and is periodically reviewed and updated to keep up with the ever-changing food industry and consumer requirements and expectations. No matter the size of your organization, BRCGS is applicable to each stage of the food supply chain, from food service organization, ingredients companies, catering, retailers, food manufacturers, distributors, and importers to exporters. If your organization handles food, this certification helps build trust. Take the first step to get GFSI benchmarked and access to global markets with BRCGS certification.